This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 side adhesive and easy installation fingerprint sensor friendly tempered glass. Today we are going to be introducing you to a fingerprint friendly tempered glass for your Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus that is easy to install yet works perfectly. As you can see here, there is a special film at the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor area which allows the fingerprint sensor to work perfectly even with the lightest of touches. Let us show you how easy it is to install. First, just wipe the display clean and align the tempered glass. Then press on all four sides to adhere the glass to the display of your Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus and ensure that the fingerprint film covers the fingerprint sensor exactly. That is all you need to do. It really is that simple. After installation, remember to go into your settings to turn on touch sensitivity. Time to register your fingerprint. For this, you may need to press slightly harder when registering. And we are done with the registration. Now let's test it out to see how well it works. As you can see, it registers my fingerprint and works perfectly each and every time. Now, let's give the touch sensitivity a test and see if the display is still sensitive. As you can see, all areas of the display respond to the lightest of touches. Let's take a look at the fingerprint sensor area to see how thick the glass is. You can see that there is no adhesive in the middle of the tempered glass. It is only around the edges and at the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. For the fingerprint sensor to work effectively, the total thickness of the glass must be less than 0.38 millimeters. The thickness of our tempered glass at the fingerprint sensor area is only 0.32 millimeters, meaning that your touch will always work with our tempered glass, whereas it wouldn't with cheaper alternatives. If this video helped you, then remember to like, subscribe and share.